Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this anti-theft video doorbell mount. It's a great product, super easy to install, and you can install it on your door any way. If your door opens each way, you can alternate it, so you can change it. It's got padding, so it's not going to ruin your doors, and you can easily take it on and off. The video doorbell box itself, you can adjust it. You can add these pads that it comes with to make it nice and snug so it won't move. And you can adjust the height depending on your Ring video doorbell. This is perfect. You don't need any additional tools. Screwdriver that it comes with, so you can put in all the screws. And that's it. It won't destroy your property. It's quick and easy. And this is perfect so that way nobody can steal your Ring doorbell. Nobody will be able to open it. The ones that get mounted on the doors on the outside, anybody can come with a little screw driver and take it off. This, nobody will be able to steal it. So great product, very well made, works amazing, and that's it. I hope you enjoy. Bye.